Inside the lavish life of Kim Kardashian. She's the queen of reality TV, a billionaire business mogul, and a fashion icon with influence that spans the globe. But behind the red carpets, viral selfies, and private jets, what does Kim Kardashian's real lifestyle look like? From multi-million-dollar mansions and diamond collections to exclusive vacations that redefine luxury, today we're stepping inside the lavish world of Kim Kardashian. And trust us, it's even more jaw-dropping than you think. Get ready to explore the opulence, the extravagance, and the unmatched glam of one of the world's most talked-about celebrities. A real estate empire of minimalist grandeur. Kardashian's property portfolio, valued at well over $100 million, is a cornerstone of her lavish lifestyle. Her primary residence, a Hidden Hills mansion in California, is a $60 million masterpiece purchased in 2014 for $20 million alongside then-husband Kanye West. Transformed by Belgian designer Axel Vervoort, the estate spans 15,000 square feet, featuring 8 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, a cinema, a basketball court, and a massive pool. Its minimalist, monastery design, white walls, neutral tones, and custom furniture reflects Kardashian's evolved aesthetic. She bought out West's share for $23 million post-divorce in 2022, ensuring it remains the family hub for her 4 children, North, Saint, Chicago, and Psalm. Recent aerial photos from 2024 show renovations, with exterior walls demolished, hinting at an even grander vision. Beyond Hidden Hills, Kardashian's real estate ventures are diverse. In 2022, she acquired a $70.4 million Malibu beachfront mansion, previously owned by Cindy Crawford, marking the highest-priced home sold in Malibu that year. The 7,450 square foot Mediterranean-style villa, updated by Harrison Design, boasts ocean views, terraces, and a gourmet kitchen, perfect for entertaining A-list neighbors like Leonardo DiCaprio and Cher. She also owns a $6.3 million plot in La Quinta's Madison Club, where a Tadao Ando designed Palm Springs spaceship home faced permit setbacks in 2023. Additionally, a Kengo Kuma-designed glass and wood lake house is in progress at a secret location, showcasing her penchant for architectural innovation. Her portfolio extends to Wyoming, where she and West purchased 2 ranches in 2019 for $28.5 million combined, including the 6,713-acre Bighorn Mountain Ranch with heated helicopter pads. These properties, alongside a flipped $6.3 million Hidden Hills home and a former Beverly Hills mansion sold for $5.6 million, highlight her knack for real estate flips and long-term investments. Soaring high with Kim Air. Kardashian's travels are as extravagant as her homes. In 2022, she purchased a customized Gulfstream G650ER private jet, valued at $95 million, affectionately called Kim Air. The jet, accommodating 14 passengers, boasts a top speed of 1,100 km per hour and a 14,000 km range, powered by Rolls-Royce engines. Its interior features Wi-Fi, satellite communication, and plush sleeping quarters, aligning her with billionaires who prioritize comfort and efficiency. Revealed on Hulu's The Kardashians, Kardashian described it as a dream she never imagined achieving, likening the experience to an MTV Cribs episode for planes. A billion-dollar business empire. At the heart of Kardashian's wealth is her business acumen, with Skims, her shapewear and loungewear brand, leading the charge. Valued at $4 billion after a 2023 funding round, Skims revolutionized the industry with inclusive sizing, XAXS5X, and diverse skin tone options. Kardashian, owning roughly a third of the company, has seen her stakes value soar, contributing significantly to her $1.7 billion net worth. Skims partnerships, including with Team USA for the Olympics and campaigns featuring Heidi Klum and Lana Del Rey, cement its global dominance. Her beauty ventures are equally formidable. After shutting down KKW Beauty in 2021, she launched SKKN by Kim, a high-end skincare line. In 2025, Skims acquired SKKN's majority stake, consolidating her beauty and fashion empire. SKKN's 2024 makeup line launch capitalized on the cosmetics market's 6% growth, showcasing her market timing. Additionally, her private equity firm, SKKY Partners, invests in luxury consumer goods, further diversifying her portfolio. With 350 million Instagram followers, her $700,000 per post influence amplifies every venture. High fashion and high stakes. Kardashian's fashion influence is undeniable, transitioning from reality TV star to style icon, collaborating with Balmain, Balenciaga, and Dolce & Gabbana. Her 2023 Dolce & Gabbana partnership sparked a public feud with sister Kourtney, who accused her of copying her wedding aesthetic. A high-stakes drama aired on the Kardashians. Her red carpet appearances, like the 2024 SNL 50 event, reinforce her trend-setting status. Her high-stakes lifestyle extends to personal choices. From a 72-day marriage to Kris Humphries to her divorce from Kanye West, Kardashian's life is a calculated blend of publicity and privacy. Her advocacy for criminal justice reform and her social media dominance, 362 million Instagram followers, keep her culturally relevant. From customized private jets to skincare empires and designer closets the size of small houses, Kim Kardashian's life is a masterclass in luxury. Whether you admire her hustle or her high fashion, one thing's for sure, Kim knows how to live large. If you enjoyed this look inside her glamorous world, don't forget to like, comment on your favorite part, and subscribe for more deep dives into the lives of the world's most fascinating celebrities. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.